common man does not pay electricity bill of a few hundred rupees, his electricity bill is disconnected and not connected till you pay the amount, along with the fines. Now this is the way this government is treating the bona fide citizens of this state. Whereas these big tycoons who come from outside, what is the purpose of this? The purpose is you fill my pockets, keep on sucking them. They have actually, this government, by trying to suck them to such an extent, has killed the goose that is laying the golden egg. The people were benefiting from this festival. The local population, there was business and so forth. But what did they do? This festival was in fact brought by the Congress government. But these people corrupted to such an extent that the tourism minister went on record to say that without drugs you cannot enjoy the party. Because the drug mafia is not with the organizers. The drug mafia that is involved with the government were being permitted to do all those nefarious activities over there.
Now when the state came to be served, Suresh Lotlekar, who is the Advocate General, was opposing the reliefs whereby we were seeking to recover areas of commercial taxes and police bandobast charges. Suresh Lotlekar, who is the Advocate General, was opposing these reliefs. So much so that the vacation judge, Honorable Justice Mr. Mahesh Sonak, interjected at that point of time and asked Mr. Advocate General, are you seriously interested in recovering the areas of taxes or not? At which the Advocate General took a step back. He could not pursue the argument whereby he could oppose our reliefs, whereby we said that if you are granting any permission, you have to recover areas of taxes first.